Hey everyone, what's up? It's Nick here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead and image map an image inside of Adobe Photoshop version CS4. Now, basically I did a video like this a while ago, which was my last video, showing you guys how to image map inside of Adobe Fireworks CS4, but I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys how to do it in Photoshop as well. So basically what going ahead and image mapping is it's adding links or hyperlinks to an image so that whenever you go ahead and upload it to your website, people will be able to go ahead and click those links and then be directed to another web page. So anyway, this is really useful if you have a big banner on your website and you want to go ahead and have an interactive banner, or if you want to go ahead and have a banner on your YouTube channel with links on it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do it in Adobe Photoshop CS4. This is the image that we're going to be image mapping. It's the banner that I showed you guys how to make inside of Fireworks CS4. So I'm going to be adding a link to my home page, my YouTube page, and my Twitter page. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, I just got two messages on Facebook. So one that says shenanigans, and then one here that says, okay, I'm going to say funny things like shenanigans. Okay, you do that. Yep, this is going to be a thing for whenever I record videos, isn't it? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by importing my banner into Photoshop. And as soon as it loads up, it will import our banner. Now, importing stuff in Fireworks actually goes faster, so this PNG contains additional data for Adobe Fireworks, which will be discarded upon save. Okay. So it's reading the format and importing, and then here we go. Now, I know they're going to say some funny stuff, so boobies, yep. I'm just going to keep that in the background and show you guys just for some amusement. So anyway, here is our image right here, and so to go ahead and map this image, what we want to do is we want to go over here and we want to grab the slice tool. Now what we want to do now that we have the slice tool is we want to go ahead and click and drag around where we want our link to appear, and then it'll go ahead and slice up something that looks like this right here. Then you go ahead and add the link, you go ahead and double click on that, and then you go ahead and change the name. So I'm going to change the name of this to home. Then here on the URL, my voice just went dry there. Here on the URL, you type in the URL you want to. So I'm going to type in my homepage URL. And I'm going to copy that and save that as the title as well. Then I'm going to click OK. And then there we go. Now something popped up on Facebook again, so let's go ahead and see that. Oh, I think they're tag teaming on me, guys, because they're saying the exact same thing. So, yeah, someone's playing me. Okay, so now to go ahead and add the second link. Make sure we're on the slice tool again, and then go ahead and click and drag to make another selection. Then once on there, go ahead and double click on it and change the name again. So, YouTube. And then I'm going to type in my YouTube address. Let me make sure I spelled everything right because I went quickly on that. Then go ahead and click OK. And the final one we're going to do is Twitter. So let's select that. Double click. Twitter. And I clicked OK when I shouldn't have. So http twitter.com/w324. Then just copy, paste, click OK, and then we've gone ahead and added our links. So as you notice, my banner now has the links for everything you want to, and you can go ahead and add these links to any other thing that you have on your banner, or you don't even need to use a banner, you can use any other image that you want to. But once you've gone ahead and done the slicing and adding the links, then you want to go to File, then you want to go to Save for Web and Devices. Click on that, and it should bring up this dialog box right here, where you can go ahead and click on these little thingies right here, and you can go ahead and change the stuff right here. So you can go ahead and even double click and change the stuff right here if you want to. And then over here you can save stuff. You can configure everything under here. So you can use the presets. So I'm going to use GIF. I'm going to change to selective and diffusion, no transparency, stuff like that. And I'm going to save it to my desktop as banner-1.html. Click on save, and then if we go ahead and launch up this HTML file over here, as you notice we have an HTML file and we have an images file here as well with all of the different parts of our image right here. So we have parts of the banner, the text, and of course the buttons right here. Make sure you keep those as well for your images folder on your website. So let's launch up this right here, and it's launching in Chromium. And so then, as you notice, here's our banner. We click on home. It brings me to my website. We click on YouTube. It brings me to my YouTube page, which is loading very slowly. And we click Twitter, and it brings you to Twitter right here. So then we can just close out of that, and as you notice that we have our links working right here, and all the links work. So you just have to go ahead and upload that to your website. Now I haven't tested this out, but I'm pretty sure that if you go ahead and open it with your text editor like I did in the previous video, you should be able to go ahead and copy all this stuff and save it as your image, but that doesn't seem to be the case here. So all you have to do is take this image and you need to upload it to your website as your banner, and then there you have it. Your image is image mapped. Now I don't suggest this method actually because it is a little bit more difficult than the Adobe Fireworks method. If you're going to go ahead and do this, I really suggest that you go ahead and use Adobe Fireworks to image map instead of Adobe Photoshop, because the Fireworks method is more simplistic and it works way better for novice users to this. And if you're not a novice user, then you probably already know how to do this and you're probably not watching this video. So if you guys want to image map, I really suggest Adobe Fireworks. So much that I'm going to put a link in the center of the page right here for you guys to click to figure out how to do this in Fireworks. But anyway, that's how to go ahead and do it inside of Adobe Photoshop. You just have to use the slice tool and then double click. So anyway, that's how you do it inside of Adobe Photoshop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, leave any suggestions for anything you want me to do in the comment section below on this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later. Okay, I'm gonna go bug them now. Okay, I'm almost done. Anything else to say? And I'll copy that to paste it to the other one, and I just minimized it because I suck like that. Enter. Paste and enter. Now we gotta wait around here until they say something else. Oh my god, progress, they're saying something. Berries and cream. Oh, they got me. Alright, see you later, guys.